How to fix Google Chrome not opening on your Android device. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps our channel grow. Thanks. Now let's head to the video. So first you have 3 steps to follow. Once you follow these 3 steps, for a fact your Google Chrome will start opening on your Android device. So let's head to the video. First you open your settings. Once you open your settings, here there will be an option of apps. Click on that. Once you click on that, click on see all apps and search for Chrome. Once you open Chrome, here you will find multiple options, but you have to click on storage and cache. You have to clear cache and you have to clear storage. Once you clear all the storage, you have to go back and then you have to go back again, and then you have to open your Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, you have to search for Chrome and you have to click on Chrome and see if there is any new update come here. Currently my Chrome is fully updated, so see if the full update is come or no. If there is an update on your phone, update your phone. And the third and final step that you have to do is you have to click on the power button and restart your phone. And once you restart your phone, your Chrome will start working on your Android device. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.